Silence, please. Roll it. Silence, please. Roll it. Rolling. Cut. Rolling.
Remain like that.
Rolling.
Roll.
Roll it. Go.
Nitish has gone far enough now. The shot is over. You can try tilt up, yeah. Though the exposure is complete. So walking.
कट कर एक वैसा ले ले बाद में टप कर हाँ
Swati put it. Front
Where do you want
Paka diga, yeah.
गुड
A short bus ride from Chennai station. So tight.
Yeah?
Nothing. A short bus ride from Chennai station. A short bus ride from Chennai station brings us here to Mahabalipuram. Sorry. A short bus ride from Chennai station brings us here to Mahabalipuram, the great temple town. It dates back to the Pallav dynasty, the period between 450 to 900 AD. I think I'll go ahead and photograph what is probably like the Taj. I'll get it. I'll go ahead and photograph what is probably like the Taj, one of the most photographed monuments in India. I'll go ahead and photograph what is probably like the Taj. Okay, let's do the Hindi.
चेन्नई स्टेशन से बस का
एक छोटा सा सफर हमें मंदिरों की महानगरी महाबलीपुरम लेकर आया है। ये पल्लव वंश के ज़माने के मंदिर हैं।
ये पल्लव वंश के ज़माने के हैं।
ये पल्लव वंश के ज़माने
ये पल्लव वंश के दौरान बने हैं। से दैट ये पल्लव वंश के दौरान बने हैं, यानी 450 से 900 ईस्वी सन।
ये पल्लव वंश के
दौरान
ओके ये पल्लव वंश के दौरान Bus ride from Chennai station brings us here to Mahabalipuram, the great temple town. It dates back to the Pallav dynasty, the period between 450 to 900 AD. I'll go ahead and photograph what is probably like the Taj, one of the most photographed monuments in India. A short bus ride from Chennai station brings us here to Mahabalipuram, the great temple town. It ranges back. Okay, once again. A short bus ride from Chennai station brings us here to Mahabalipuram, the great temple town. It dates back to the Pallav dynasty, the period between 450 to 900 AD. I'll go ahead and photograph what is probably like the Taj, one of the most photographed monuments in India. A short bus ride from Chennai station brings us here to Mahabalipuram, the great temple town. It dates back to the Pallav dynasty, the period between 450 to 900 AD. I'll go ahead and photograph what is probably like the Taj, one of the most photographed monuments in India.
सन नहीं 450 से 900 या 750 से 900
यानी 450 अच्छा ओके यानी 450 से 900 ईस्वी सन यानी 450 से 900 ईस्वी सन के बीच। चेन्नई स्टेशन से बस का एक छोटा सा सफ़र हमें मंदिरों की महानगरी लेकर आया है, यानी कि महाबलीपुरम। ये पल्लव वंश के ज़माने के हैं, यानी 450 से 900 ईस्वी सन के बीच बने हैं। फ़ोटोग्राफ करने आगे निकलती हूँ। वैसे हमारे यहाँ इन्हें कुछ उतना ही फ़ोटोग्राफ किया है जितना कि ताजमहल को। चेन्नई स्टेशन से बस का एक छोटा सा सफ़र हमें मंदिरों की महानगरी महाबलीपुरम लेकर आया है। ये पल्लव वंश के ज़माने के हैं, यानी 450 से 900 ईस्वी सन के बीच बने हैं। ओह शिट, ओके अगेन। चेन्नई स्टेशन से बस का एक छोटा सा सफ़र हमें मंदिरों की महानगरी महाबलीपुरम लेकर आया है। ये पल्लव वंश के ज़माने के हैं, यानी 450 से 900 ईस्वी सन के बीच बने हैं। फ़ोटो खींचने आगे निकलती हूँ। वैसे इन्हें कुछ उतना ही फ़ोटोग्राफ किया गया है जितना कि ताजमहल को। आई फॉरगॉट टू से हमारे यहाँ left for the day.
Feeling very much like doing them, right?
Yeah. Morning was very jazz to learn.
अरे भाई बाबू, वो अम्ब्रेला उन्होंने
दादा स्टैंड बाय। क्यों हिला रही है यार? रोलिंग चल रही है।
कट कर रोलिंग। कट।
5 सेकंड जाने देना रे।
रोलिंग।
कट।
रोलिंग। रोलिंग। कट।
स्टैंड बाय। रोलिंग।
Action. Cut. Action! Cut. It's too brief, otherwise the passing with the area covered is of course, no?
Rolling.
Action!
Rolling.
Action!
Rolling.
Action! Cut.
Rolling.
And give this kind of profile, huh? Action. That's good. Click. Down again. Cut. No, that's not what I'm like. Always keep developing action. Like click, move. Then if I'm still not cut, then look again. Move. Always keep giving. Rolling. Action. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Walk up the steps and go in. Cut. Okay. Ready? Rolling.
Silence, please. Stand by. Rolling.
Action. Cut. One sec.
स्टिल है 10 सेकंड.
हेलो हेलो हेलो
Mahabalipuram is full of stone towers. This is Mr. Veerapatiran who owns one such shop. Let's talk to him. How many workers do you have out here?
18 people.
And they all live here or they come from outside?
One village people, 15 kilometer.
Okay. So how long does it take them to make a big sculpture as big as this?
1 feet in 1 week,
Huh.
2 feet 20 days,
Uh-huh.
2.5 feet 1.5 month.
1.5 months.
Yes,
So you do any sculpting?
yes, even final work.
Finishing touches?
Yes,
Okay. And all of them have got their diploma from somewhere?
diploma people, diploma F-rank people.
Huh.
Yes,
Diploma from Mahabalipuram, from where?
Sirpa Kalluri
Okay.
training. Yes,
And where is this rock from? Rock for sculpting, where do you get it from?
Kanchipuram stone is a village people is export. All many people is a statue bring.
Okay. No stone from Mahabalipuram? You don't get any stone from here?
No stone, Mahabalipuram no.
Why?
It's a soft stone, it's a Salem.
Huh.
It's a black granite, it is a Kanchipuram.
And what is your order? What do you get more? Export order or people from India take more?
All the many people is export, village people, all the country, Bombay, Calcutta, all the order.
So you have good business?
Yes.
Lot of money?
Yeah, 6 months on business, 6 months on season now.
Which season is your main season?
May.
May.
Yes.
So you have a lot of export happening in May?
Yes, May.
Okay. And you do what do you really like finishing touches on which kind of sculptures?
Yeah, all the touch final work.
All the types?
Yes.
Okay. So how much are something like 2.5 feet of a goddess like Saraswati, how much does that cost?
Saraswati 2.5 feet, 4,500 rupees.
Okay. And if I want to place an order,
Yes.
then you show me a catalog, or how do I tell you what I want?
Only one natural photograph.
Okay.
Culture is a temple, no photograph, no. Only a Springs work.
You do carving for temples also? You
Yes.
make idols for temples?
Yes, yes.
Which temples have you made for?
It's a village temple, it's a big temple.
And you have orders right now to make
Yes.
some more?
Yes.
Where are they?
Somebody order, you want take my shop, this one only making.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye. Silence, please. Silence, please.
What is this called? Smoke pipes.
Rolling.
The lanes of Mahabalipuram are full of stone towers.
आपका ये हाथ लगता है माइक को.
Rolling. Action.
The lanes of Mahabalipuram are full of stone
Rolling. Action.
The lanes of Mahabalipuram are full of stone towers. I found this interesting little stone pipe, a smoke pipe made out of stone. Oh yes.
Rolling.
Action.
The lanes of Mahabalipuram are full of stone towers. I found this interesting little smoke pipe made out of stone. This is Mr. Sekar. Let's talk to him. Why did you make a smoke pipe?
Some people liking for that one using up a smoking pipe.
Okay.
Rolling.
One second.
Patuka.
Yeah, one second.
Rolling.
Action.
The lanes of Mahabalipuram are full of stone towers. I found this unusual looking. Unusual
Continue rolling.
Okay. The lanes of Mahabalipuram are full of stone towers. I found this smoking pipe in Mr. Sekar's.
Sekar.
The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone towers. I found this smoking pipe of stone in Mr. Sekar's shop. What made you make this smoking pipe?
Is the name of Durgi stone. It's kind of.
Somebody placed an order or you made it on your own?
Yeah, making up some order and making is also ready-made making.
How long have you been working here?
How long and maybe 10 years experience.
You got a degree from
degree.
Mahabalipuram.
Yeah, Mahabalipuram.
What is the name of your college?
As architecture and temple and sculpture.
So all these things you've made out here, it's on order based or you've made it on your own?
Yeah, it's on order and ready-made it will make that one.
And how many workers are there out here?
Maybe 10 people here.
10 people.
Yeah, 10 people.
They all live here.
Maybe,
Okay. You do good business? You
Yeah,
have a
yeah.
lot of customers?
yeah, maybe.
What do you have more? Exporting more or in India more?
Exporting more, like in Malaysia it will exporting.
Which other countries? Malaysia and?
Malaysia and Singapore,
Okay.
two places many making. Sometimes it will making German and England, it will exporting. And South Africa also.
And you make sculptures for temples also?
Yeah, temples also.
Which temples have you made them for?
In Ganesh temple, Shiva temple and many temple in Hindu temples.
Okay. So you like sculpting a lot. Why did you go into sculpting? Why didn't you do something else? What made you take up sculpting? Is it a family business?
No family business, but it's all only business, no family business.
So why did you do sculpting? Why not BSc, BCom, BA or something else?
But I liking this I like, but article I like.
You were from Mahabalipuram
Yeah,
previously.
in Mahabalipuram.
Okay. So what is your business season? Which season do you make the most?
July and August it will start, and end of December last. That is.
And who all come up with this creative idea of making unusual things? Like I saw one small face mask. I saw this small.
Rolling.
Can I say the streets of Mahabalipuram after this? The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone towers. I found this small smoking pipe and I think I'm going to buy it. Mr. Sekar, what are you working on?
What?
What are you working on?
Is in granite, black granite it will make that one.
This granite is from here.
Yeah, granite.
Rolling. Babu. Rolling.
Should I say Mr. Sekar's shop or no? The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone towers. I found this smoking pipe made of stone in Mr. Sekar's shop. Mr. Sekar,
Yeah.
what are you working on right now?
House.
And I'm gonna buy it.
Rolling.
The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone carvers. I found this stone. The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone carvers. I found a smoking pipe made of stone in Mr. Sekar's shop, and I think I'm going to buy it. Mr. Sekar, what are you working on right now?
Now is making for Shiva. Making this stone of and making granite, black granite. It will make that one.
This granite is from Mahabalipuram or from
Yeah, it's coming
outside?
from in Kanjipuram near.
So all your stones are from different places, or you get something from Mahabalipuram also?
Yeah.
Which are the places you get your stones from?
In the Kanjipuram, it will come that one. Stone all.
So how long will it take to complete this
There's,
sculpture?
maybe 2 months it will.
2 months.
2 months.
You're working all alone on it?
Yeah.
Or you
No,
have
only
some...
for first rough cutting and then making and finish work. After polish one man, making ornamental different man. It's making many people making.
So you give a rough cut to all the sculptures, or you have other people also doing the
Yeah,
same?
rough cutting I am also making, and rough cutting and finishing work also making. I am also.
This is for a temple?
Yeah, going to temple.
And what about the other places where you have to send on order basis, customized orders?
Yeah, his customer orders is many orders it will send up in Malaysia and export it.
And what about India? How many people buy from India? Lots, or you have
Yeah,
more
India,
export?
India is also many temple it will already I will send it. The order, get it order in India temple. And then
Rolling.
Where are you originally from?
in Mahabalipuram.
And where did you do your education from, your studies?
I studied in Mahabalipuram in college, the arts college.
What did you graduate? You're a graduate,
Yeah,
right?
graduate.
What did you graduate in?
It's a BS in sculpture.
And you've been sculpting since how long?
8 years studying. 8 years.
So this is your own shop. You manage this
Yeah,
by yourself.
also. Yeah.
What do you like sculpting? What do you like doing a lot in sculpture?
Many making sculpture and their gods, many.
Repeat.
Yeah.
Again. Repeat.
What do you like in sculpting? What do you like making a lot?
Many making gods and Ganesh and Shiva like and Subramanya like many Hindu gods making many.
And you decide what you should make, what your workers should make, or whatever creativity is allowed out here.
No, creative all making in Shastra, but that one it will make many in Shastra. Then we'll make that one. Yeah.
Are you married?
Yeah, married.
You have children?
Yeah, children.
You want them to do the same business? You want your family business to go on like this?
But maybe I don't know that one. Yeah. People, my child is all studying now, but maybe I don't know that one.
But if he wants to do sculpting, you'll let him do it.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
So how long does it take you to finish one sculpture?
This 3 feet in stone of make that one. 3 months it is possible. It needed 3 months. Yeah.
And you look after the shipping and everything of the sculpture abroad?
Yeah, shipping also.
What else do you do besides stone carving?
Decided in stone and black granite it will make. Yeah. Black granite and green stone, like and the soft stone it will make that one.
And metal and painting and all that? Do you do all that as well?
Painting, nobody, no painting. But painting something in temple and put it in painting, it will give the order and it will make that one only. Painting and wooden and stucco, it will make that one also. But it will make, now is my shop is only for...
To shout again.
वो तो बहुत पहले से चले गए.
I know, that's why I asked him.
Okay, man. Rolling.
The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone carvers. I found this cute little smoking pipe in. I'll say it again. I don't know why this is not coming out right.
Again, continue road.
The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone carvers. I found this unusual little smoking pipe made of stone in Mr. Sekar's office and I want to buy it. How much is this pipe for, Mr. Sekar?
70 rupees. Madam.
70.
70.
Well, how much are you going to give it to me for?
Yeah, this is only labor I ask. 70 rupees only.
No, I'm sure you can come down a little bit more.
Only one. You will make only 70 rupees only labor. That one. Yeah.
See, this is my first visit to Mahabalipuram. Let's make it a nice one. You're happy, I'm happy, you make it 30 rupees. Yeah? I'll take it for 30.
No 30.
Huh?
No.
No. Then come down a little bit. 70 is too high for me.
70 no. 70 I say is only reasonable price. Only labor. Will take that one. Labor price.
So make it a little less.
Okay,
Okay,
60 rupees maybe.
60.
60.
You make it 40?
No. Only 60. And then
Okay, let's make it 50 final. 50 I'll give you for this pipe. Okay?
okay.
Yeah? Okay, thanks a lot. Okay. Rolling. Okay. Action. Thank you, Mr. Sekar. It's a good bargain, no? 50 rupees. I think it's worth it. The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone carvers. I found this little smoking pipe made of stone in Mr. Sekar's office. Mr. Sekar, how much is office again? And I want to buy it. And I want to buy it. Okay, I'll say it again. One last time. Mr. Sekar, shop. Okay. And I'm forgetting it. Okay. Looking cheerful and happy. Smoking pipe made of stone in Mr. Sekar's shop. The streets of Mahabalipuram are filled with stone carvers. I found this little smoking pipe made of stone in Mr. Sekar's shop and I want to buy it. Mr. Sekar, how much is this pipe for?
70 rupees, madam.
70.
70.
How much are you willing to come down?
Oh, I will give only 70.
No, you have to come down a little bit.
Okay, we will give 60 rupees.
60.
60.
Let's make it 40.
No 40.
Why?
But more labor, that one.
So we'll make it 40, 50. Chalo, 50. You are happy and I'm happy. Both together.
It's okay, take it.
Yeah? Okay. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.
Good bargain, isn't it?
Stand by.
एक मिनट अच्छा
Smile. Sit. Cut. This movement is. Ask him to stop for 1 minute.
Go ahead.
Roll. What is happening now? A white. You can see. Only she has to cut the.
Rolling.
Rolling. Wait, you start by looking at sitting down. No, sitting, looking down. When I say look up and smile and then go back to sitting. Ready? Rolling.
एक
Okay, shut up.
एक मिनट
Wait.
Rolling.
Ask him to cut naturally. You know, he starts cutting very.
अच्छा अब इसके बाद में सब लोग साइलेंट हो जाएंगे இரு அவங்க சொல்லும்போது வந்து நீ எப்படி வெட்டி குடிப்பே அதே மாதிரி வெட்டி நீ அதெல்லாம் வெட்டாத
Rolling.
Rolling.
Okay. Start. Give it to me. Take it from me. Take it, Ajay.
Cut, Dada. Cut.
No, that's
Rolling.
action. Look at me. Give a short smile and go back, okay? Again. Look here and there. Zip.
Babu.
Okay, cut. Action.
Stand by. Rolling.
Action. Cut.
Just come walking. Yeah, come to the shop. Come to the shop. Come this shop. This last one.
How much is this?
80 rupees slice.
And those other ones?
Okay. कट किया? मैंने कट नहीं किया.
You got it?
इधर थोड़ा सा इधर आ जा लेफ्ट थोड़ा लेफ्ट में तू और कुछ बैठो बात करना उसे बैठने के लिए बोलो दे रहे क्या क्या देंगे 10 लेने का हम लोग 10 ले रहे ये 4 है 6 10 नहीं वो तो 2 ले रहा था मैं तभी वो पूरा 10 ले रहा 80 रुपीस नहीं 80 भी बहुत ज़्यादा है 80 तो और कम करो और लेगा तो और कम करो ठीक बाबू हाँ 8 रुपये बोल रहे तू पार्टी में बरा फ्रेम मध्ये येऊ नको
हाँ आकाश
फ्रॉम बॉम्बे
8 4 12 काफ़ी है
roll that it's very cold around it won't come out no fixing is very good fixing but it's looking bad man no looking bad थोड़ा क्लीन करने का ठीक है थोड़ा 3 टाइम यूज करने का ठीक है हैंगिंग अच्छा है
कट कर दे
There's one lady at the edge of the bloody frame. Let her go out. Let her go out. No, don't let anybody come in from the right. This lady is in the right of the edge of the frame.
Swati, ask that lady to move a little left.
Out, gone, gone. वो चलेगी वो lady. She's also going, na?
Okay, cut. Roll.
We can do one thing.
you can just take some grass and one इसमें रोलिंग एक